If I see a liquidity pull like that and it snaps back, boom, that's the moment when I want to get in, right? This is when I want to get in. This is what I did, guys. Made another 30 grand for the day. What's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a wonderful time. It's Raphael back again, and in today's video I want to talk about the trade that I took today, the trade that I've shared with all my masterclass students with the inner circle of our team. If you have missed this trade because you're just in the free Telegram channel, then don't worry. We're going to talk about that trade today. So we're going to dive deep into the trade, why I took this trade, so you understand my thought process and yeah, learn something. But before we get into the trade, guys, I want to show you one of my students' results. So let's dive deep into the chat with Darren Evans, guys. So Darren is one of my students for like since November, I would say. Yeah, for like 1, 2, nearly 3 months now. And yeah, he was going over the course. He was studying the course 5 times already in this 3 months period, right? He has learned everything about our X-ray strategy. He has learned everything about our loading it up strategy and everything. And yeah, he really fell in love with the X-ray strategy. He is trying to get funded capital, guys. This is, if you have no idea what prop trading is, let me explain you real quick. Prop trading gives you the opportunity to trade big capital. Like these prop trading funds, they're searching for skilled traders. So if you bring the skill set, they will bring the money, the capital. So you can trade with big capital, 6 figures, even 7-figure accounts. And yeah, you get a profit split. Like if you make, let's say you make 10% profit with a $100,000 account, that's $10,000 profit, and 70% of that goes straight into your pocket. So 7,000 for you, 3,000 for the fund who provides you the capital, right? This is prop trading. This is what he's exactly doing, and this is what I want for all my students, especially for all the beginners, because I mean, it doesn't make sense to risk your own money. First of all, if you don't have a lot of money, you should not risk your own money because you need it for your life expenses and stuff. So it's better to not risk your own money and get the skill set first, get the skill set down first, and then yeah, just take the money. I mean, you can make much more money in a shorter period of time instead of using your own capital, putting your own capital at risk, you know, much better. And this is what he did. Like Darren started to trade with the X-ray strategy, loading it up strategy. I think he combined it, and yeah, he passed the evaluation process. The evaluation process on this prop trading firm is 8%, I think. Looks like that. Profit target was 4,000. So he's trading a 50,000. This one was a $50,000 challenge, I think, and 8% was the profit target. And then we chatted here back and forth, and then he got his certificate from the funded trader that he achieved, that he passed the Royal Challenge phase number 1. And then January 23, like 2 weeks later, he passed the second challenge in 2 days with the loading it up strategy. And yeah, he got another certificate of achievement for the Royal Challenge phase number 1. So on this one, he banked another 9% profit with a 68% win rate, guys. Lovely. He equity 50,000, as you can see. He banked $4,700 to pass the challenge. And yeah, 2 challenges in 2 weeks, guys. That's what we are talking about. And yeah, phase 2 in 1 day again. So Now he passed the second round. So now he finally got funding capital. And I think this is the $50,000 challenge that he started. So I think he's now funded with $50,000 capital, guys. And he started in November, right? November last year, he started to study the course. He go through it 5 times. And now in January, he already passed 2 challenges. One is finished. I mean, if you go to the prop trading firms, guys, you have to pass the challenge round, the first round first. Then you make like 8% or 10% depending on the prop trading firm. And after that, you need to confirm that result by making another evaluation process with 4% or 5% profit. So you have 2 stages most of the time. And this is what he did, guys. And let's see what we got in here as well. We have another one, Alien Bank. He just became $200,000 funded, and yeah, I inspired him to go for it and make it happen. Yeah, man, and he made it happen, man. He just got funded with $200,000 capital, guys. Just imagine what you can do with $200,000 capital. If you are averaging 10 to 20% per month, that's 20 to 40,000 per month, guys. That's life-changing, all right? So now let me get into another chat that I just remembered, guys. We need to talk about Simon. This makes me so proud. Look, I was not chatting with him for a while, but he started to get funded in August last year, and he started his first month with 45% profit, right? So he made he flipped a £140,000 account into £200,000, like £60,000 he made in his first month after he got funded. And the following months he had a little struggle, but he made another 30 grand for the year. So overall he made like £90,000 from August to December. And then I haven't heard from him for a while, so I got back to him yesterday and just to see how he's doing. I'm like, yeah, Happy New Year, how are you doing? Hope everything's fine. And yeah, he just told me that he's traveling next week, hitting Los Angeles, living the dream. I mean, he's a musician, right? So Los Angeles is probably one of the main targets to go through to connect with other musicians and stuff like that. So this is what he plans. So next week he's going to hit LA, and then I asked him how much he made. He made this year in January already £20,000. That's 7% of the account balance that he's trading. 7% profit made him £20,000 this month already. Wow, this is crazy. And yeah, now he's explaining what happened to him. So last year I had a crazy time as I had a good first payout, then was taking some losses. Overall I made over 90K, and this year so far 20K. So he's up 110K in a period of 5 months, guys. That's an average. That's average more than 20,000 per month, guys. That's crazy. 22,500 on average per month in the last 5 months. Crazy. So he said he got a second FTMO account as well, so that £20,000 was way easier to make, as it's around just 7% profit, right? And if you are thinking about the percentage, it's not even crazy. Like, this is a realistic goal. He's not really trading a lot. Like, maybe he took like 4 or 5 days of trading and pulled that out of the market. I mean, you're just relaxing and just taking your shots if you want to take your shots. I mean, you are in control. You are your own boss. I mean, you can do whatever the fuck you want as a trader. It gives you all that freedom that you're looking for as a human being. And man, I'm so proud of Simon. It's crazy. Like, look what he did. I mean, he said best thing about it is you can easily make 5% even on a single trade and only risk 1% or less. That's true. And he got a lot of strict rules, and one of the main ones that changed everything for Simon, this is something that you need to take notes on, guys. having a loss limit of 2% in a day. This is when he loses 2% in a day, he walks away. If you lose 2%, you walk away. On the next day, it doesn't hurt so much, so you are more clear, you can make better decisions, right? Logically. So that being said, guys, if you are not a member of the Genius Trading Masterclass course yet, you should really think about joining, guys. This is a life-changing opportunity. The X-ray strategy, the loading it up strategy, these are chapters that are going to change your life big time. Think about it. All right, let's hop into the charts, okay? Let me show you what I did today, guys. Why I took this trade at around 8:30 today. So what we had, I mean, yesterday I have been able to bank on a sell position on this one over here to get below, I think, Monday's lows, right? The market came all the way back, showing us clearly that this market is about to reach higher highs. I mean, after a pullback like that, a pullback of how many points? 350 points, something like that. 350 points. Man, this thing wants to go up. And when I opened, I mean, guys, I was waking up way too late today. I was just waking up, jumping out of bed, looking at my phone. It was exactly 8:30, and I saw this pull of liquidity. Look at the 1 minute time frame, guys. I saw this pull of liquidity, and it got rejected so aggressive that I was like, okay, beautiful. This thing wants to keep pushing up. This was just like a little stop hunt to stop some people out, to grab some liquidity, to keep on moving. And I was looking at it. It happened exactly when I opened the chart. I bought this thing, sent it to all my students. Then I was holding it until 9:30 when the New York Stock Exchange opened, and as soon as we have been here just before 9:30, before the algorithm started to kick in, I was reducing my risk until here. So I was reducing my risk by 50%. And then I was just taking profits around big figure number 12,000. This was the psychological level. This is where I expected the market to give us some kind of resistance. Most of the times, these big figure numbers are really important levels where the market likes to turn around. And as you can see, we just banked perfect. We just banked the profit perfect, just in time. And the market turned around, instantly came back to our entry, and now I'm not longer interested in taking a trade. Today I took my shot when I saw the opportunity coming. I mean, as you can see, the volume was kicking in at around 8:30. The market was slashing down with a lot of momentum. I saw that and I was like, okay, this thing wants to go down, but now, and then I waited. I see it goes all the way back, and this was the moment when I was like, okay, I'm gonna get in now, because overall this thing wants to go up. And this is the perfect time to get in. If I see a liquidity pull like that and it snaps back, boom, that's the moment when I want to get in, right? This is when I want to get in. This is what I did, guys. Made another 30 grand for today. Overall, this month was lovely so far, 19%. And yeah, it's time for withdrawal, pay myself for this month. It was a beautiful start in the new year. 2023, I told you guys we're gonna make some big money this year, and I think 20% is a beautiful start to start the year. And I hope that you guys had a profitable month so far as well. And yeah, if you like this video, guys, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment. On Sunday, you have the chance to win the Genius Trading Masterclass course with lifetime membership inside the inner circle of our team. So show some love in the comment section, and then you can be one of the lucky winners. I'm gonna pick 3 winners. The last 2 videos, I'm gonna pick a winner as well, so you can drop a comment there as well. And if you need my help, guys, under the video you'll find the description. You can drop me a private message if you have any questions. I'm there to help you guys. And make sure to join the free Telegram channel, all right? And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Wish you a lovely day. Peace out.
what you know. Every time I why your body in love. Fly me to the moon. Forget what you know. Every time I why your body in love.